I'm excited. Finally, I have finished my silver pulsar. I've been working on this for a little while now. It all started when one day I wanted to use a SOTA instrument, silver pulsar, and I turn it on and it just doesn't work, which kind of upset me, and I decided to build an alternative. SOTA Instruments sells those for over $300 and they are cheaply made inside, so I don't know what it costs so much, especially that they make them in China. So anyway, I decided to build a very simple in model of a silver pulsar, which contains which can do both. It can do micropulsing and it can do colloidal water. Here is the switch where you can switch between either one. Here is intensity knob where you can adjust to the comfortable levels. This is the power in. It requires this 30 volt power supply, and this is the output for either silver water. And this is the wire that connects to the output, and at the end of this wire you can attach silver rods to make colloidal water, or you can attach these TENS pads. They're placed on the wrist for micropulsing. This is the circuit on the inside. It's assembled. It's very simple in design. I intentionally designed it to be simple so that most of you would wanted to try it and possibly build it yourself. It all assembles on this board. These boards are also cheap. I have them available. This is the 3D printed case with a label on it. It's made out of two pieces, bottom and top. And files are available on my website where you can print them yourself if you have a printer, or you can order to have that being printed for you. These are the labels for it. I have those available as a label and as the picture where you can go ahead and print it yourself as well. So if you go to bbmpulsar.org and go to silver pulsar page, you will land here where you can find more information on this project. On the very top here I have all the links for all the components that you will need to complete this project. This is the parts information for each component, Gerber files for PC printed circuit board production. With these files you can order this to be printed for you from the company's PCB company. Also 3D printed case label, which is this label here. 3D printed case top and bottom files. These are the files you will need if you want to order this to be printed from the company for you, or if you have a printer yourself you can do that. And here is information on where you can print the case. So this project, Dr. Bob Beck, originally it started from his videos and presentations and research. So if you go to bbmpulsar.org and then in a search here you would type a protocol, you will get to this page where you can download this PDF file of 87 pages. In this PDF file, Dr. Bob Beck talks about, let's go back to the very top of it, page 7, starting from page 7. Micropulsing and ionic colloidal silver. So if you scroll down, you will read. He goes into science about it and explains how it's able to have antibacterial properties, how micropulsing are helpful for boosting our immune system and fighting different pathogens in the blood. In here he shows patterns and talks about it. Also, he gives a free circuit. This is open source circuit for micropulsing. This one uses 3 batteries, 9-volt batteries to get the and parts list. This is how you apply on your wrist for micropulsing. Here is some more information on placement and follow up with colloidal water, where you can read all the information on how to produce a quality batch of your own colloidal water, which is highly effective against against bacteria and other pathogens. So that's that. All right. As far as selling a complete kit, I'm not ready for it. I'm still waiting on some printed cases and some silver rods. So eventually I will be offering this as a complete kit, but for now it's available as open source, and you can try to build yourself. You're just gonna need to get a printed circuit board from me. This is $5 including shipping. So all project, if you do it yourself, is gonna cost under $70 versus SOTA Instruments $350. And that's just because it's all the parts are acquired here in the United States. If I to build it in China or some other countries over the seas, this would also cost probably like under $10 with the silver rods. But for now I'm not able to do that. Eventually at some point I will look into that to lower the price and offer you a good deal on it. But it is what it is. Right now it's probably the cheapest option. You can build yourself and have this amazing device and use it and get healthy. Alright guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.